Hi guys, today we are going to show you how to remove the rear view mirror in Toyota Camry. First we'll need to push this box down like this. And now we will remove this central small cover and the box will come out. This is how the cover looks on the inside, and again, in order to remove this small plastic section, you guys simply pull it down and it comes out. In order to remove our rear view mirror, we'll need to use the Torx 20 bit. And then slide off the mirror. And this is how the mounting bracket looks like. And this is a part number.